for bed, where we rest our head. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for dog, barking all day. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, who jumps away. G is for garden, where flowers grow. H is for hats you wear on the go. I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. J is for jelly, a wiggly treat. K is for kite that flies in the sky. L is for ladybug climbing high. M is for moon glowing at night. N is for nightingale singing with delight. O is for octopus with 8 long arms. P is for pony with lovely charms. Q is for queen with a sparkly crown. R is for rainbow coming down. S is for sun, bright and warm. T is for turtle with a tiny form. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin with music it plays. W is whale splashing the sea. X is for xylophone with notes of glee. For yellow, sunny and bright. C is for zebra, black and white.